G'day guys, it is Trav here from Neighbourhood. Are you wanting to have a more intuitive paid ads experience right inside HubSpot? Using automation with HubSpot Ads Tool allows you to create new lists and ad audiences whilst using ad interactions as triggers in workflows. We're going to dive into exactly how to set this up right now. So as a heads up, this applies to all Marketing Hub starter or hire to utilize these features. And if you're keen on more practical support inside HubSpot, Neighbourhood does offer a comprehensive, easy to follow course so you're making the most out of your HubSpot investment. It even comes back with a money back guarantee. To find out more, check out the link in the description below. But also, if you want to take your learning offline though, we'll include a free downloadable PDF of this how-to in the description below as well. All right, so you want to do some automation using some lead forms using your ads tool. So inside HubSpot, under marketing, go to ads, and then you'll go through and you'll see all the ads that you've got linked up. If you haven't, you'll see a notification there that'll allow you to link up your LinkedIn, Google, and Facebook. And this will apply to lead ads specifically. Now, there'll be a few reasons that you'd want to go ahead and set some automation up specifically. The most obvious one that you'd probably want is the one to actually go through and notify your internal teams to reach out to that person. So for example, if somebody fills in a lead form on Facebook, then what will happen is that it will talk directly to HubSpot, obviously bring all of that necessary information into the CRM itself, and then reach out to the salespeople to obviously reach out. Now, if your ads unintended for the bottom of the funnel to obviously at the SQL stages specifically, it might be a little bit higher up in the funnel, so you don't necessarily want to go out and start notifying or reaching out to people in the early stages. You can use this to actually start putting them into workflows or delivering specific information that they requested. For example, if it's a white paper or an ebook, if anyone does that anymore, then we can go through and actually use the automation tool to say, hey, thanks for signing up. Here's the information that you're required using the automation or the workflow tool inside HubSpot. Cool, so let's get stuck in. So in here, now we personally at Neighbourhood don't have any lead form ads going at the moment, so it's a bit hard to see, but I have got a lead generation ad that we had quite some time ago. It looks like in 2020 actually. What I can show you is there's two instances and two different screens that you could see. In the first screen, you'll have the workflow tool that you can actually start building, and I'll put it on the screen now, a picture of what this looks like. Now you can go through and actually create the list and actually create the workflows in there. In my instance, if you're looking at this and it's a non-lead form ad, so you can kind of do it for both, but if we go to edit campaigns, we've obviously got all of these details here, but we go to automation, we can go through, we've got the HubSpot how-to test page, test list, and this is going to be an active list that we create there, and that's going to add them to this one. Now, using the workflows tool, you can say that if anyone is a part of that list for the first time, go through and enter them into a workflow. If you are looking at this picture right here, and it is a lead form ad, you'll probably get some more features there as well, being able to build out specific simple automations in the actual screen itself, or you're able to take those workflows and actually build them out to be a little bit more complex in the workflows tool. And there you have it. You now know how to use automation with HubSpot ads. If you're wanting to make the most out of your HubSpot investment, Neighbourhood does offer a step-by-step course covering marketing, sales, service, and CMS Hub in depth, ensuring you and your team are best serving your customers while developing efficient internal processes. We'll include a link for this in the description below. But if you're after a PDF version of this for later on, or you're passing it to a mate in need, we'll include a link in the description below as well. But if you've gained video from this video and you're keen to learn more about HubSpot, make sure you hit that subscribe button as well. But for now, happy HubSpotting.